Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Travis and I wanted to share with you what you'll learn by subscribing to this channel. In this channel, we'll learn about how to gain financial independence, how to create multiple streams of income so you're not only dependent on that 9-to-5 job. You'll learn also about investing for beginners. So we'll go over what, ETFs are, mutual funds, how to start your first purchase of a stock, stuff like that, and how to get into that entrepreneurial mindset so that you're not, again, only dependent on your 9-to-5 job in creating money. That's a little bit about the channel, my background specifically. So the reason why I began this channel was really because after college, I was in $52,000 in debt. I felt really stuck there. I had a 9-to-5 job, which I was contributing over to help with that debt. But I really wanted to share with you guys tangible ways in terms of how I was able to get out of that and how you might be able to get out of debt as well. And just beyond that, how to grow your money passively, because the main goal of this channel is really to help you understand that throughout life, you don't want to only be working for money. You also want money on top of that to be working back for you. So we'll talk about different ways to get cashback rewards, how to get a high yield savings account to start growing your money passively, and how to make safe and overall less risky investments to start growing your money. So we'll cover things like 401ks, IRAs. With that being said, feel free to tap the link below to get more free resources, subscribe to the channel for more weekly content, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.